Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for your online banking account on Pacific Western Bank. If you want to have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. In order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. Then on the search bar, search for packwest.com. And once you land onto an interface like this, just go and tap onto the sign in option here and from it choose cardholders. By tapping on it, you will land onto an interface like this, so go and tap onto Enroll Now option. By tapping on it, you will land onto the enrollment page of online banking account on Pacific Western Bank. So you will have to enter your credit card number in the text field here in order to begin your enrollment process. Once you do that, go and tap onto Begin Enrollment option here. By tapping on it, you will land onto the page. Now follow the on-screen prompts and you'll have successfully registered for your online banking account on Pacific Western Bank. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.